Kayla Muller is in West Sacramento tonight, tracking some of the damage we're seeing already from these winds today. Kayla.
Yeah, there was a small vegetation fire here just a few hours ago. Those winds were really fueling the flames, really carrying that smoke a ways away. Fortunately, firefighters were able to get on top of it relatively quickly. Crews have been busy across the region all day long. And like you said, Steve, PG&E intentionally shutting off power in some areas to mitigate fire risks. Strong winds pushing the flames from this West Sacramento grass fire fast. Fire crews working quickly to stop the spread in these extreme weather conditions.
I heard a big noise and my mom-in-law was standing out here, and then we came to look, and sure enough, our cousin's car got hit.
In Stockton, Mary Hidalgo rushed out front as a large tree crashed down on a car on her street.
We had all the kids in the backyard when it happened, so I was like, oh, thank God they were back there. But luckily it was a parked car, not a driving. And then just a few moments after, we heard another crack down the street.
Also in Stockton, a tree was uprooted in a Costco parking lot, falling over onto several cars.
Mostly branches and like the occasional little tornado situation, a lot of dust.
These two friends from Auburn and Berkeley were meeting halfway for a picnic in Sacramento, but say even driving here in the strong wind was scary.
We were a little bit freaked out at certain parts when it got very windy, but yeah.
And then, I mean, look around you, there's some branches down everywhere. Have you guys been kind of keeping an eye just in case, like above
Yeah.
you?
We have.
Yeah, especially with baby, we're definitely just very cognizant, trying to see if anything is falling down.
This extreme weather toppling trees and forcing firefighters to act fast. Yeah, and there were some unplanned outages here locally. PG&E says they started those intentional shutoffs, though, early this morning, continued throughout the day as needed. We could still be seeing them going into tomorrow as well. Portions of San Joaquin, Stanislaus, Solano, and Yolo counties could be impacted.
All right, thanks for that. Kayla Muller live in West Sacramento. We're going to stick with our fire